Federika testoval Lukáš Čelej už v mixzone. Úžasné, skvelé a perfektné.
Naozaj zážitok na celý život, naozaj strašne silný.
What do you say about the atmosphere?
Was magic, was incredible. Right when we stepped on the ice, everyone was supporting us, and we really enjoyed to skate this program. We really felt the crowd with us was amazing. Thank you.
Nikol Rajčová sa priznala, že ju to trošku zväzovala tá atmosféra. U vás vyzerá, že to bolo úplne inak.
Myslím, že naozaj sme sa na tú voľnú jazdu pripravili tak, aby sme využili tú energiu z toho publika, naozaj ju použili na to podať dobrý výkon a naozaj si to užiť, lebo takéto veci sa nestávajú naozaj každý deň na každom preteku.
To miesto 8 minimálne bude spokojnosť?
Určite áno. Ja si myslím, že tak ako vždycky hovoríme, my sa snažíme jazdiť čo najlepšie a podať najlepší výkon a my sme naozaj spokojní.
Okay, when you look at both the days, was it best you could have or was there something which could have been better?
I think that we have really to be thankful for everything we have got in these days. Was something that we will never forget. Was incredible.
You think you will enjoy this atmosphere in maybe next years?
I don't think so. Like it would be something that would be the best forever. I think like was just amazing. Really, thank you.
Thank you very much. Ďakujem vám veľmi pekne, gratulujeme ešte raz.
Ďakujeme veľmi.
Áno, množstvo darčekov pre Lukáša Čeleja s Federikou Testovou z ľadu, tie Flower Kids, teda deti kvetov, alebo tie, ktoré zbierajú práve tie darčeky.